Everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to enable mic over on the Roblox. So guys, to enable mic over Roblox you just need to click on this mic over here, and as you can see now it's talking like I'm talking. And but if you don't see this mic over your avatars, how can you enable in settings? I'll show you. So guys, before starting, if new on channel, please subscribe to our channel, like the video. Let's start the video. So I'll show you how can you do that. So let me, so I have to get up. So guys, let's come out of this game, and to get the face track, so to get the mic over avatars add in the Roblox, I'll show you how can you get it. So fine. So let's first of all come out of the game. Let me come out of the game first. Now once you come out, you just need to click on this three dot over here. Click on three dot, go to settings. Now just go to in privacy. I'll show you how can you enable mic. So right now it's the red request. Why? No. I just need to scroll down and you will see here two options, mic and camera input. Just enable the microphone to chat with voice from here by clicking on this toggle button. Right now it is enabled, so let's disable it and enable it again, and click on this option. Click on this enable option. After that, now you can use now the mic will be visible over avatar's head after enabling the microphone from here. Fine, so that's how you can do it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.